Hey guys, my name is Taran and I'm back with a new video of Clash Royale. So in today's video, I will be opening this chest. The clan war season result. We were best amongst those 5 and we are at the Silver League 1. So let's get into open this. Please give me a legendary. Please give me a legendary. Please give me a legendary from this. Okay, nice. Okay, Zappies. Oh, we're getting a legendary! Legendary! Guys, please give me that legendary that I'm not having. Please, eyes closed, eyes closed, eyes closed, eyes closed. Oh my god, the bandit! Bandit! Oh guys, that was epic! That was epic opening! Epic! So as you can see, just see this. I can make a whole legendary deck and one more. The bandit. The bandit is in. Oh guys, that was the best chest actually. Guys, thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and also share my video. Thank you guys for watching my video.